Getting tested for COVID-19, still a challenge for most, but in North Dallas today, one clinic tried to make things easier for patients, or at least for those people who wanted to see a doctor without getting exposed to others who are sick. Andrea Lucia reports, all new tonight at 10.
Had a fever of over 100.4.
It's not your typical drive-through.
Yeah, we will have 4 or 5 cars lined up, and we'll be bopping back and forth.
In the midst of a pandemic, Dr. Martin McEllier is seeing patients in the comfort of their own cars.
It really is for my patient population who are afraid to come in the office.
His clinic, Neighborhood Medical Center, is offering all types of services, but the big one,
If you want to do the COVID-19 test, we do have them. So
is a new test for the novel coronavirus.
So in here are 2 swabs in this one packet.
It's being made available by Clinical Pathology Laboratories, a private lab.
I know. Almost done. Good job.
In 3 days, this clinic has performed about a dozen tests, though many more patients have requested one. Availability is still limited.
Think, okay, this is kind of a precious resource. I don't want to use this on just anyone.
Patients first have to take a flu and strep test and show negative for both. They have to have the symptoms, a fever and dry cough, and some other factor. For this patient, it was her job.
And she works with international travelers all day long.
But it's really up to the doctor to decide. It is subjective.
It is subjective.
Results take 1 to 3 days to come back, and McEllier is expecting to find some patients popping up positive.
We probably will find that we're looking at the tip of the iceberg.
In Dallas, Andrea Lucia, CBS 11 News.
And many insurance companies have agreed to cover the cost. For those who are uninsured, it costs $200 a test. And Andrea learned tonight that starting Monday, Parkland Hospital in Dallas will have a drive-through COVID-19 testing site for its patients. You'll have to get screened by a doctor first and have symptoms before you qualify. Police officers, firefighters, and critical government employees will also be able to get tested there.